This is meteorologist Todd Shea with the National Weather Service in La Crosse with a severe weather and heavy rain briefing update as of Tuesday, September the 9th. We do have a potent early fall-like storm system that will be coming in to the Midwest today, sweeping showers and thunderstorms in from the southwest. And that rain and thunderstorm activity is expected to become more widespread and heavy as we move ahead into tonight. We could be seeing widespread 1 to 3 inch rainfall totals with some locally higher amounts possible, along with a somewhat smaller threat for some storms to produce damaging winds or large hail. As of early this afternoon, there was quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity over the plains, and this activity will be filling in and spreading northeast in time. If you combine that with some of the rain that we've had, well, not just last night as shown in this graphic here with some 1 to 2 inch rainfall totals along the Iowa-Wisconsin border, but over the last week or two there have been areas that have received several inches of rain that has already brought rivers up quite a bit. But as this rain moves in this afternoon and into tonight, we wanted to give you what the radars might look like. As we go into this evening, you can see with the brighter colors here some of the shower and thunderstorm activity as it moves in. Rain will be quite heavy at times, along with some of this thunderstorm activity into the overnight hours. But then as we go in towards daybreak on Wednesday, this activity should start to be lifting off to the northeast and east of here and starting to end. But as that happens, the winds will also be increasing quite a bit as this storm system moves on by. So all in all, the bigger story with this storm system will be the forecast rainfall amounts, which will most likely be heaviest across the state of Iowa into southern Wisconsin and neighboring Illinois. Again, widespread 1 to 3 inches, but there could be some pockets of heavier rain, and this bullseye of heaviest rain could also shift north if the storm system takes a more northern track. As of early afternoon on Tuesday, many of the National Weather Service offices have flash flood watches, along with flood watches up across the region, much of Wisconsin into parts of southeast Minnesota and a big part of Iowa. Now, when we look at the potential for wind and hail damage from some of the stronger storms, the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center has most of the region under what's called a slight risk. The probabilities of a tornado activity at any one particular point are highest across southern Iowa and into neighboring Missouri, while the threat for damaging wind is a little bit closer to our region, covering a big part of Iowa and into western Illinois. The threat for large hail, and that's 1 inch diameter or larger, is pretty widespread across the region with any of these stronger storms as well. So kind of in summary, again, overnight rainfall coming in looks like it's the main story. Overnight flash flooding is possible and is especially dangerous at night because people can't see the flood waters. There could be areas where water's over roadways, or in some cases perhaps some roads washed out, especially secondary roads. Some of the pockets of damaging winds could cause some short-term power outages as well. And from a storm spotter activity, we would appreciate any heavy rainfall reports in addition to any wind or hail. That concludes the briefing for early on Tuesday afternoon. Again, we urge you to use our webpage at weather.gov/lacrosse to keep updated on this storm system, as well as follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and these YouTube videos.